where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that haven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Children are special and are beacon of hope, for they are not only innocent and curious, but also optimistic and joyful. The greatest legacy that we can pass on to our children is to inspire them to dream up their own thoughts, and we are the wind beneath their wings to make them fulfill their dreams. The future belongs to those who believe in their own dreams, and encouragement fuels great strength and great achievement. A very good morning to one and all. It is indeed a moment of great pride for the school, as well as for the parents, as 221 students of Class 5 will be receiving the Scholar Badge certificates today for their exemplary scholastic achievement in Class 4 in the year 2020-21. This ceremony is one of the most anticipated and time-tested tradition of our school, when gleaming enthusiasm and triumphant spirit of young scholars can be seen and felt. We would also be giving out appreciation awards for 100% attendance. Light is considered as a symbol of auspiciousness, prosperity, and abundance. We now have our traditional lighting of the lamp ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Pro-Vice Chairperson, Ms. Minakshi Singh Pathania Ma'am, for reposing her faith in us, supporting us in all the endeavors we undertake, and encouraging us to do our best. Thank you, ma'am.
May I now request Principal Mr. Surendra Pal Sachdeva sir to address the audience.
Good morning all. I welcome everyone to this virtual Scholar Badge ceremony. This is a significant and momentous day which marks the recognition of students who have showcased their academic prowess and proved their mettle through sheer hard work. Knowledge is not something to be packed in some corner of our brain, but it is what enters into our being, and this is the way of life. Knowledge sharpens our skill like reasoning and problem solving and is key to our success. So, keep gaining knowledge not only in classroom but at home too. As I believe good results are also part of good habits, which remains forever. I am sure you all must have been eagerly waiting for the Scholar Badge ceremony, though we wanted to host this important ceremony in school and waited for the situation to normalize. But since that did not happen, so here we are posting it virtually. I congratulate all the awardees for their accomplishment and achievement. And remember, being successful in life is as simple as being a good student, a good learner, and being thankful to all who have helped you achieve this milestone. So, dear parents, I congratulate all of you and wish you a great new session in year 2022. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.
Thank you, sir. To follow one's dreams and to believe in one's own self makes things possible. On this note, we have our students performing a freestyle contemporary dance, Believe.
You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your ability. You're capable of anything. You can achieve any dream. Please don't limit yourself. Don't live your life limited. It's not all sadness and misery. Life's a challenge, but you will succeed. Take control of how you feel in every circumstance. Work on yourself daily. Your story's far from done. The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you. You have to believe in yourself. You don't have to hide anything. You can be your true self. Don't need to follow society. Never forget that you're blessed. Give thanks for everything. Even the hard times will turn out to be blessings. No matter how you feel, you can learn from your pain. It's there to make you great. Your story's far from done. The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you.
Thank you. That was truly amazing.
Let's begin with the much awaited award ceremony now.
Class 4A, Grade A1.
Arav Mahindru, Advika Yadav, Ahan Tiwari, Anureet Kaur, Arnav Singh, Aisha Kapoor, दक्ष जैन, दिवेना चौधरी, मन्नत नरेन ठाकुर, साइना प्रसाद, सुहाना पिपलानी।
Grade A.
अमलान आयुष मुदुली, अनय ओबेरॉय, द्वितीय सिंह, ईशान गुप्ता, काशवी सिंह, कियारा, क्षेत्र कुचिमंची, लवन यादव, मोक्ष कुचिमंची, पार्थ शर्मा, सानिध्य सिन्हा, सायशा राणा, सारांश जैन।
Class 4B. Grade A1.
अक्षरा सोनी, अक्षत शर्मा, आलिया भरीजा, अनन्या हाकू, अविरल रस्तोगी, देव छाबड़ा, कृतांत त्रिपाठी, पावनी पवार, पनव कौल, परिधि अदलखा, रिधान शर्मा, शारण्या भट्टाचार्य, यादनी दिनेश विस्पुटे।
Grade A.
आन्या ध्यानी, आर्नव भट्ट, अभ्युदय सिंह, अध्वराज, अक्षिता पचौरी, अनन्या लोखंडे, आराध्या सिंह, साइरस सरीन, मैनुएला जिया समुद्राला, तमन्ना शर्मा, इशिता होलानी, मानव दीवान, मानविक आहूजा, रचित आनंद, समायरा जॉली, तिशा मुंजाल, विवान सेठी।
Class 4C. Grade A1.
अरहान जैन, अश्मी जिंदल, अथर्व बख्शी, भव्या राणा, ध्वनि गेरा, ध्वनि, जानवी जैन, नव्या शर्मा, प्रायरोक घोषाल, रिधिमा शर्मा, शिवांश गर्ग।
Grade A.
आहान सिंह आर्यन, अनन्या मग्गू, अनन्या शर्मा, अंश मालू, अरहान गोयल, दिया गंभीर, एकाक्षय ध्यानी, हुमेद इस्लाम खान, लास्या गौर, प्राजक्ता नायक, साहिर सरदाना, संश्रय कपूर, वेदांत सिंह, विहान रायना, विराज सिंह, व्याख्या केशरी।
Class 4D. Grade A1. आन्या यादव, आराध्य सिन्हा, आरव अरोरा, आशीष श्रीवास्तव, आकांक्षा, अक्षरा श्रीवास्तव, लक्षित सिंगला, प्रियाल जैन, राजवीर चंदोक, शुनाया खरबंदा, सृष्टि चौधरी, श्रीनिका दास पुरख्यास्ता, तनीषा पंडित, विराज सिंह राठौर, समक्ष दुग्गल, विवान कौशल। ग्रेड ए अगमजीत सिंह रिहाल, देवित विज, जैसे शर्मा, खुशबू चहल, लावण्या सेठी, सचिन कुमार मिश्रा, सक्षम माथुर, सना सूद, सिमर मेहता, स्तव्या सिन्हा, स्तुति पांडे, सुदीक्षा कतियार, त्विशिका वाजपेयी। क्लास 4E, ग्रेड A1, आन्या उप्रेती, अदम्या सिंह, अर्जुन त्रिखा, दक्ष बजाज, एकांश मधुकर, गौतमी रावल, गुरनाज कौर, मायशा सिंह, मायरा आशीष, नायशा खन्ना, रौनित बोस, समृत चट्टोपाध्याय, शरण्या यादव, श्रेया झा, स्पृहा बिस्वाल, श्रीजा सरकार, वान्या ग्रोवर, युग एलावादी। ग्रेड ए आदित्य कामरा, अद्विका शर्मा, अताशी सिंह, चारवी हंस, गीत गुणवंत, महारूप स्वाई, ओम वासुदेव, शौनक महापात्रा, श्रुति प्रियानंदा, स्पर्श सरदाना, विहान कलान, यथार्थ खुराना, योगित राव। क्लास 4F, ग्रेड A1, अनुष्का वर्मा, अन्विता सिंह, अविका जैन, दिव्यजा मुदगल, ईशानी विज्जू, श्रेया जिंदल, वृंदा चोपड़ा। ग्रेड ए आरव गुप्ता, आरुष एम बंसोदे, अंजस पानेसर, अर्नव कुजूर, अयांश तुर्की, दक्षता गुप्ता, धैर्य छाबरा, दिव्यकृत दक्ष, लक्ष्य जैन, नायरा वर्मा मुखर्जी, पाखी शर्मा, शांभवी ओझा, शुभम नारेदी, सिद्धांत भारद्वाज, सिद्धार्थ जैन, सूर्योदय राठौर, वैभव गुप्ता।
Class 4G,
आर्जव जैन, अश्वी गोयल, अर्णव दीक्षित, भव्या स्तुति मिश्रा, चिरंतन जोशी, मनस्वी सक्सेना, मोदिता शर्मा, मायरा वशिष्ठा, पर्ल गुप्ता, राघव पांडे, रिधान अरोड़ा, ऋषिमा पांडे, शैवी शर्मा, शर्विल वैभव तेंबुलकर, शौर्य प्रकाश झा, वंशिका सिंह, वेदिका अशोक, विहान खिल्लारी, अनन्या गुप्ता, गर्वित गुप्ता, लियोआन, पान्या यादव, समर्थ सिंह, तनिष्का दीवान, वंशिका, यशोगौरी सुशील कुलकर्णी।
Class 4H,
आरव कोहली, आरना ढिंगरा, दिवेशा मल्होत्रा, हर्षल गोयल, जानवी राजीव नायर, दिव्यांश कुमार साबत, कविन सहगल, काव्या यादव, खुशाल राव, मोहम्मद हिशाम, निकेशा नारवारिया, प्रिशेल, रूपांशी आहूजा, रूपकथा रे, श्रव्या मरखवार, सारांश तमंग, सानवी मिश्रा, सप्तर्षि हाजरा, शांभवी गौतम, सृष्टि कुमार। आरव वर्मा, अंश खटाना, Arhan Jain, Arjun Dikshit, Havisha Khanna, Pranav Ehlawat, Shreya Hajra, Sudipto Bhattacharya, Vinayak Adukia, Yash Giri. Kiara 4th A, Ananya Haku 4th B, Aviral Rastogi 4th B, Dev Chhabra 4th B, Parati Adlakha 4th B, Ananya Lokhande 4th B, Vivan Sethi 4th B, Ashmi Jindal 4th C, Dhwani Gera 4th C, Janvi Jain 4th C, Shivansh Garg 4th C, Prajakta Nayak 4th C, Aradhya Sinha 4th D, Simar Mehta 4th D, Maisha Singh 4th E, Shaunak Mohapatra 4th E, Bhavya Stuti Mishra 4th G, Manasvi Saxena 4th G, Vedika Ashok 4th G, and Kavya Yadav 4th H. Congratulations to all the recipients. May I now request Headmistress Primary School, Miss Leena Singhal, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this day to conclude the ceremony where we have honored the hard work of our young scholars. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Pro Vice Chairperson, Ms. Meenakshi Singh Patania ma'am, for her support and encouragement, for giving us the freedom and courage to pursue endeavors, and giving our children the best environment and education experience in school. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank our principal, Mr. Surinder B. Sachdeva, for his zeal, enthusiasm, and motivation in all that we do. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt thanks to all the parents for being our invaluable partners and collaborators, and many congratulations to you on the success of your ward. We share your joy and pride. I would like to thank our very dear children for their wonderful achievement, the first of many more to come. Thank you, teachers. You have a big role to play in their success. And before we come to a close, my loving wishes to the young achievers for being the proud recipients of the Scholar Badge. May you reap more success in the coming years. Thank you.